Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Memberstack for secure user access, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Memberstack for secure user access, first, log into your Memberstack account. Navigate to the dashboard on the left sidebar. Select the project you want to work on or create a new one. Once you're in your project, click on the Settings tab. Locate the Authentication section within the settings. In the Authentication section, you will find options for sign-up and login settings. Decide whether you want to allow email verification for new users. If you choose to enable email verification, toggle the option to on. Next, define the fields you want to collect during user registration. Common fields include name, email, and password. After setting up your fields, scroll down to the Custom Logins section. Here, you can customize the login page to better match your branding. Now, let's move on to integrating Memberstack with your website. Assuming you've already created your website, open the code editor of your choice. Add the Memberstack script tag in the head section of your HTML. This script allows your website to communicate with the Memberstack API. After you've added the script, return to your Memberstack dashboard. Now click on the API tab to generate your API key. Copy the API key for use in your website's code. Go back to your code editor and locate the area where you want to implement the authentication features. Insert the Memberstack API key in this section. To set up user access, add the necessary Memberstack attributes to the button elements. For example, a sign-up button should have the attribute data Memberstack ID equals sign-up. Make sure the login button has the attribute data Memberstack ID equals login. Next, implement event listeners for these buttons in your JavaScript code. This will ensure that the correct functions are triggered upon user interaction. Test the sign-up and login workflows directly in your browser. Create a test user account to ensure the process works seamlessly. If everything is functioning correctly, users should be able to sign up and log in with ease. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.